Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into Landmark Credit Union app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Landmark Credit Union app delivers all the core features you need, starting with the credit check, transfers, pay bills, mobile check deposit, credit card management, and the simple biometric login, all within the app. The app is very straightforward, quick to navigate, and reliable for daily banking without needing a branch. So starting with the downside, the downside are mainly its basic design, the occasional slowdown during the update. It's not the most advanced or the polished credit union app out there, but it gets the essential done very well. So in my opinion, I think the app is worth it if you want bank with the Landmark, which is very simple, efficient, and practical for everyday usage. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.